don't publish until you watch this video. Of course, you had me correct. Don't publish a blog post until you watch this video. And in this video, I'm going to show you where to place your keywords and how many of them are you going to put in your content so that you don't have a keyword density. Because if you had a keyword density, then you will get a penalty from Google, and we don't want that. Before, like 7 to 10 years ago, people used to put a lot of keywords and rank for it. And now Google is more smarter. If you put a lot of keyword in your content, then you are going to get a penalty. Now Google algorithm is more smarter, so if you put a little keywords, they will understand actually what all your content about. So make sure you watch till the end so that you will know where to put your keywords. Hi, my name is Usman. Before I give you these tricks, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss a content like this. And we start right now. So now we are on my website here. So I'm going to show you where to place your keywords so that you don't put a lot of keywords on your content. So now the first site that you are going to put your keyword is on your URL. Here I target the keyword Google Search Console. So Google Search Console is on my URL. So this is the Google Search Console. Now the second site also that you are going to place this keyword is on your title. So here you see how to increase your traffic by Google Search Console. The other side you are going to put your keyword is on the first header after the title. This is, here it is also, what is Google Search Console. So now the fourth side is on the first sentence of your content. So here it is, Google Search Console. So the fifth side is on your first image. Now on your first image, make sure that you put your keyword there. So let's see how I put my own keyword on my image. So now we click on the image, go to replace, we click on the media. Now this is the image. Now make sure that on the alt text you put your keyword there. So this is my keyword, so you click save. So I have already made mine, so I'm not going to change anything, but this is how you are going to rename your first image using your keyword. And we click select. Make sure you use a free SEO tool that will help you organize your on-page SEO. For me, I use RankMath. So there is another tool that called Yoast, but for me, I use RankMath. So you can download RankMath. RankMath will help you generate a good title and also how to fix your on-page SEO. Here you're going to put your focus keyword, and it will help you all this basic SEO and even advance what you're supposed to fix. So make sure you download RankMath. RankMath will help you do all these things. Now the sixth side that you are going to put your keyword, that's why I said you should download one of the free SEO tool that will help you, is on your meta description. Here, if you have these tools, they will help you do all that. So here is my keyword, Google Search Console, and also here also my keyword, the Google Search Console. So instead of putting keyword density in your content, I'm going to show you what are you going to do so that you can rank for not only the keyword you are targeting but other keywords as well. Now how to get another keyword so that we can use on our content so that we don't use a keyword density. So now let me copy my own keyword and we go to Google. We will find another LSI keywords that we can use. Now I copy my Google Search Console, we copy and we go to Google and we paste our keyword here. Google Search Console. So before we hit enter, we can get a ton of ideas here from Google. These suggestions mean other people is searching for this type of keyword as well. So these are all keywords we can use also in our content. Or we click search, we go down on this side also, we can get a ton of keyword ideas that we can put on our content, so that we cannot only rank for Google Search Console, but we can rank for another keywords as well. For example, like when somebody look for Google Search Console, they will some people may look for also Bing Webmaster Tools, how to use the Google Search Console. We can use different type of keywords here so that we don't use only the Google Search Console. Here, for example, also here you can see a ton of ideas here, from the Google Suggest. You cannot only rank for this keyword, but you can rank for a ton of keywords also. So make sure you use another keyword that's similar to the Google Search Console and rank for them as well. Thank you very much to watch till the end, and I appreciate you watching always. So I hope you love this content. So before you go, just do me a favor, just like this video, subscribe, turn on the post notification so that you don't miss a content like this, because I'm going to share a content like this always that will help you grow online. And until next time, and I will see you in the next video.